westbound. George 2 dead end. We're gonna be at a dead end on Oakwood.
Charger 20, inside commander. Finisher 800 dead end Oakwood.
7 George 2, shots fired.
Charger 20, inside commander. Finisher 800 dead end Oakwood.
That's them.
7 George 2, shots fired.
Oh shoot. Slow 17, we're in the primary pursuit, traveling westbound on Oakwood. Eastbound remain.
I got a bill ready. Orange shirt downbound on the island west side of the street. Black and white. That's head on. What's going to be my life?
Right there, that's one.
I know.
That's one.
There's a black and white behind us. We stay with the suspect.
Willoughby. You got it right behind him. Good on the apex.
Southbound onto North June Street. Monk near the intersection of Beverly Boulevard and Wilton Place, he ran through a red-phased tri-light and collided with a red Ford Eco Sport utility vehicle traveling northbound on Wilton Place. Following the collision, Monk emerged from the Mercedes and attempted to flee on foot. The officers gave chase and were able to take him into custody a short distance later.
We are through Van Ness. Clear right.
TC.
Get ready. Do you see him?
He's running. Get eyes on the car.
I got a runner. Girl, grab her seat.
Somebody TC to right, east of Van Ness.
Get on the fucking ground!
Just off Beverly, west side of the street.
Get ready. Do you see him?
What's the location?
He's running. Get eyes on the car.
I got a runner.
Down there, just like a location.
Girl, grab her seat.
Somebody TC to right, east of Van Ness.
Get on the fucking ground! You grab anything to get shot! Do you fucking understand me? Move. Get the other hand. I got the left. I got his right one. Someone get cuffs! Hey, someone grab an arm. We got it. There you go. Got it. All right, let's clear the waistband.